Hello everyone, I'm Lee Go. Today's topic is Seo Kang-jun fortune analysis. I'm so sorry. There was a big error in Seo Kang-jun's fortune search. Fortunately, the result of Suji's ideal type search is the same, but it got better. One person told me in the comment on my blog, thank you. I checked it several times, but I don't know why I made such a big mistake. Once again, I'm sorry. Seo Kang-jun's fortune was very good fortune. The matter and water energies that Suji doesn't have were more certain, and it's a very good fortune with all the energy needed for the fortune. Let's analyze it together. Seo Kang-jun is the sun in his fortune. The sun doesn't like to be tied to small things in the world. The pride as a being that everyone looks up to is great. He likes very colorful things. He wanted to send and give his love to the world. Seo Kang-jun has a letter that means the C next to the letter that refers to himself in his fortune. This is the sun floating on the sea. That's great. And the letters marked with pink hearts means popularity. Seo Kang-jun is in conflict with the letter next to the letter that refers to himself. However, this conflict is a very productive and positive conflict that further develops Seo Kang-jun. It adds dynamism to fortune. He has a strong reputation in his fortune, so he will spread his name more widely in the future. He has a high honor, and the letters that mean art are in a strong position. He is also rich in artistic talent. This energy directly supports letters that mean women and wealth. The letter meaning of woman is matter energy, and this energy is flowing directly into the letter of honor. Both letters of honor are water energy. Also, he has a lot of human affection and a harmonious family because he has a union in his fortune. It's good to have 5 different energies in his fortune, but it's a good fortune with all 5 different energies. It's such a good fortune that I don't think I need any more explanation. I would like to apologize once again for the mistake in searching his fortune, but I'm glad that the results in the previous video are the same with such a good fortune. Please develop further and be happy in the future. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.